motor vehicle here. It's monitoring data. Then again, oil pressure. 4.7 okay. Let's go down to oil temperature. Again, degrees okay. Okay. Let's go down to battery voltage. Yes. 0.7 perfect. Okay. Let's go down to brake pads. No, it's nothing unnecessary. Scroll down. Scroll down again. Again alarm. Yes. Then go down. Down again. Diagnosis. Again. 60 airshot. Again. Airshot food. Yeah, then control units. EDC.
So again,
EDC. Yeah, again. Code diagnosis of the code. And we have another code. But it's passive. 03780 stroke 1. The 8 okay, scroll down. 375105. This was when last year. January. So continue. This one is active. Well, this one is past. Well, this one was well. April. Well, passive. Well, this one was this year, June, April. It's past. Well, this one is active. It was last year. Okay, well. That sephelile wonke number 3 manje qala phansi. So okay, sure.